you can get paid via PayPal or via Bitcoin for clicking on this website. And that's not all. You can make as much money as you want only for clicking on this website. The more you click, the more you make money. Is it good or bad? I think it's really exciting. And yes, I'm very excited for you. Let's begin. Before we begin, let me explain why this system works. And before I tell you why this system works, let me assure that just like other videos, we're going to give you our premium software 100% free for my YouTube viewers, and links will be in the description. This software will turn your website into a website like this and help you make money like this. Now let me tell you why this system works. You see, there are big companies who build products and they spend thousands, no, millions, no, billions of dollars to produce products, and they market those products, they spend another billions of dollars. Now they need a second opinion and they need to know more about their customers and their potential customers before they actually invest in a product. So they run surveys, and this is where survey sites like this come in. These survey sites run the surveys on behalf of these big companies to their users and give them the survey reports. So the survey websites make money from their clients by running their surveys on their behalf. But at the same time, here is the interesting thing: the survey companies or the survey websites make even far more money by getting users like us registered into their system. Because you see, building list is the most powerful thing when it comes to making money online or building a sustainable online business. You can have your audience right now, but if you don't have your own subscribers into your email list, your own database of your email subscribers, then you really don't have a reliable traffic source. You can have millions of subscribers on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, but the moment they decide to shut down your account or ban you for any reason, all your followers, your traffic is gone. But your email subscribers are your most reliable traffic, or your own audience that can be contacted, that can be built relationship with anytime you want. And that is why these survey sites make money in two different ways. Number one, they get paid from their clients, and number two, anytime they send an offer to their users just like us, they make money. Now who are we? We are the people who want to make money online by clicking, so they know they have a big list. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know you as the most important person to notify when we will upload our next video. So the survey sites have a big list of users who want to make money online. This is so exciting, right? Because surveys are important for big companies and survey sites make money in two different ways. This is a very reliable business system, and people like you and me who want to make money online can rely on this system. And of course, it's very sweet when it comes to getting paid via PayPal or via Bitcoin. We wanted to make sure you have everything in terms of information and in terms of tools, links in the description, to start making money today in the most profitable way. In a moment, I will share how to register on this website, how to go step by step and actually make money. We will make money using a brand new account live in this video, so stay tuned. And finally, we will also give you a software that will help you build lists just like them. How this software works? This software turns any PDF into your opt-in form, into your lead magnet, and into your referral viral traffic driving system. So you literally don't need an opt-in page, you don't need a lead magnet, and the software will drive traffic to your opt-in page as well. Super awesome, right? This software is 100% free. Link will be in the description. You can go there anytime you want. Now let's go and check how to make money using this website. Now we are on offernation.com. First of all, look at the headline, look at the landing page, what they say. Check the whole landing page to get as much information as possible. Here is a video demonstration of how can I make money taking online paid surveys. Average customer rating is 4.8 out of 5, which is pretty good, and I always recommend reading these questions and answers, which are basically FAQ or frequently asked questions. These questions are asked by their previous users. A lot of times you'll find these questions and answers are extremely valuable. Joining is absolutely free. Click the join free link to sign up. using your full name, login info, email, and password, your current address details, site usage policy, payment details. Once you fill all the information, click the I am not robot CAPTCHA checkbox and then click register. And that's it, you are registered. And they have already added 25 cents into your account as a joining bonus. And here's the nice part about them, you can cash out when your balance is over $1. Here are a list of most popular survey and offer providers. Your Surveys is one of their most popular survey provider. Surveys in this section typically pay between $1 to $8 per completion. So if you complete 10 surveys per day, you make $80, which is easy and super simple. Here is a quick list of the surveys available at the moment. Oh, by the way, before you begin, you have to agree to all their terms. All you have to do is to check these check boxes. Make sure you read them clearly, understand clearly, and take notes. Maybe take screenshots and store them in a Google Drive folder. When you accept all and save, you will see this page saying complete surveys, survey completed, thank you. Go through the different menus like home, surveys, offer walls, referrals, contests, rewards. Every menu equals money, which means you can make money from every menu and sub menus. Go to the help menu and click frequently asked questions. I always say look at the frequently asked questions because they are the answers of the questions that other users already asked, and most of them are very valuable. Specifically check about how to make money, when to get paid, whether there is any limitation, whether there are any conditions, hidden conditions, fine prints, etc. You can be paid via PayPal or Skrill or some other payment methods, and Bitcoin. Cash withdrawal minimum has to be $1 and Bitcoin has to be equivalent to $40. Here is another interesting thing, cash contests. They have a $1,000 cash contest running at the moment. The top 20 earners at offernation.com will win one of the cash prizes as shown in the leaderboard below. Cash prizes are added automatically to your account at the end of the contest, which means if you make money, then through cash contests, you will make more money. Here is more information about the site. Most people don't read them, but I highly recommend you read everything and you understand everything. Take note, if possible, take screenshots and store them in your Google Drive folder. We have just completed an offer and we earned 68.9 points. Let's take another survey and I will show you step by step how to make money. So if I complete this survey, I will earn 238 points. Make sure you read the conditions at the top and make sure you understand the question clearly, and all you have to do in order to answer is just click and click. So here is the answer to the first question, answer to the second question, and answer to the third question. Then click continue to the next page. Another click and I answered another question. This question is simply click and select and then click next. This one looks like a lot, but actually it's click and click. They are just a bunch of clicks before you click the next button. Then another click button and then click next. Another click here, type how old you are and click next. Here is another click and within a very short time, the survey is completed. Congratulations. We want to make money, so we started another survey and that is it. This is what you have to do. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it. And if you like our effort, if you like our video, please hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll get notified when we will upload our next video, and we'll see you in the next video.